Hello everybody, Lurgs here, welcome to my channel, and today are your metal ring curtains sticking on the curtain rails. They're really hard to open and close. I'll show you how to make them super smooth. I've got these metal ring curtains here on a metal curtain pole. I'm just trying to open them here and they're really sticky. Can't open them easily. It's just horrible trying to open them up. We want to make those super smooth. What you're going to need today for this is just some multi-surface polish. Any multi-surface polish will do, and you're just going to need a clean rag. What you do is take your multi-surface polish, spray that onto the curtain pole, onto the metal curtain pole. This also works if it's a wooden curtain pole as well. Then take your rag and just give that a really good clean all the way round with your furniture polish and your rag. You'll find when you're doing this, there's lots of dust and debris build up on top of the curtain pole. So cleaning this off with the furniture polish makes it nice and smooth. You can also get right in and spray some furniture polish on the metal rings as well. Right, let's try it now. Look at that. Absolutely fantastic. A nice, easy fix. Time for a brew. Ouch, that was a bit too hot. Whilst I run away from all the problems in my life, in the top right there's a video on how to remove mould from silicone without any scrubbing at all. In the top left, how to defrost your freezer easily in under 15 minutes. And in the bottom left, how to clean your UPVC guttering so it stays clean. I hope that was useful.